Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix Java not opening JAR files. So let's get started. First, check if Java is installed on your system. Open any web browser and search for Java. Go to the official Java website and you will see there are different options. Choose your platform like PC and download it. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the installation steps until completed. Now locate the JAR file you want to run. Right-click on it, hover over Open With, and check if Java TM Platform SE binary is listed. If it is, click it. If not, choose another app. Scroll through the list or click More Options, and select Java. If the file still does not open, search online for jar fix. Download the small tool from its official site. Once downloaded, open it. It will register the jar file type correctly. After running jarfix, restart your computer. Then, try opening the jar file again using Java. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.